Okay. These are the ones that talk. Okay, these are the ones that talk. I thought the other ones talk, but I could be wrong. Those could talk too, but get a close up. We're going to go out here to do this for you guys. There's a lot of people out here too. Like a furrow signal model. Oh, shoot. I don't like this. People out here. I feel like I'm getting uncomfortable. Oh my gosh. Warm. Wow. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. There's people here and they're looking at me funny, so they're probably thinking, what the heck is he doing? I'm filming the sirens, that's what I'm doing. But anyways, these are the ones that talk. I'm not sure if the other one, the full part, talks or not, but I just had it all around. These are the ones that talk, so yep. I'm getting out of here. Have a good day, bye.